So I have my presentation, but I want copies of it. Maybe I don't trust my network. Maybe I just want a hard copy in a folder. Maybe it's going to be handouts at a presentation or a class. And so I want to look at those print settings because this is not like printing a document or a spreadsheet or a drawing. This is a set of slides and we've got some different options. So we're going to go over here to File and down here to Print Settings and Preview so that we can make some decisions. All kinds of options that are going to open up a little differently than what we see in any other program. We can close the preview from right here. We can also, next to that, determine what it is we're printing out. One slide without notes, that's going to print one slide without notes. One slide with a spot for notes, if that's your purpose, or these different handout views. So I'm going to just randomly, let's go with handout, 4 slides to a page. This is what it's going to do. I can change the orientation, landscape or portrait, however suits your information. I can also say hide the background because since I picked this great blue background, that's going to make it really a lot of ink to print. And if I'm not printing on a color printer, that's just going to be black. And that's, again, a lot of ink. Now, problem, when I say print background, hide background, suddenly all that white text is not going to be visible. So I'm going to have to make some other changes before I go printing this. For our purposes for this, we just want to look around and see what the settings are. Include skip slides if we want to. I can download it as a PDF from here, which is another video. We'll talk about downloading it as some different file types. And I can print it from right here. Maybe in this view, I notice that this is going to be just 2 slides on this page. And so that was the wrong number. Maybe I'll go with 6. That'd leave people with enough room to make some notes if I wanted them to, or have something to study from, or just have something to take away from the presentation. And again, that depends on what it is you're trying to do with your slides. But if you want to print them, here are those settings. You can close the preview and get back to all the ways that you know how to do it. And you can go to print. It's going to take it a few minutes to generate that preview. And it's going to show up with the print interface that we're used to, but we've made, and from here, we're going to have to go through and make those settings and those changes yet again, but we can do that as many different ways as we want to. Pages per sheet, I can make that 9 or 6, or notice it's the same options as we had before. I can change what kind of paper I'm printing it on. I can change the quality of the thing. I can tell it to print a page. I can make it 2-sided from here, just like I could with anything else. I can print it in color or not. I can also cancel it when I see that this isn't exactly how I want it yet. So if you go through in these print settings and preview it and get it like you want it, your best bet so that you don't have to make all those choices again. Notice it remembers what I did the last time. Your best bet, once you've got this like you want it, is to print it from here because it's already made those changes. And that is how you print your set of slides.